Welcome to Nandakchi channel. In this episode, I'm gonna make a walnut baklava for you. Let's get started. Egg, melted butter, whisk a little, sour cream, flour in 2 steps, baking soda, knead well. Divide into 4 parts. Leave it aside for 30 minutes. Chopped walnuts, sugar, cardamom, cinnamon, vanilla. Mix thoroughly. Spread out each piece of dough as a layer. Place the first layer on the bottom of the pan. Pour some melted butter and spread them well with a brush. Add the filling. Repeat all these steps for all 4 layers. Cut the excess and then arrange. Cut like pizza slices. Let's bake it first for 15 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Take the tray out of the oven and pour some melted butter on them. Continue baking for 25 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's see what we've baked. While it's still hot, pour the special syrup on them. Sprinkle some chopped walnut on them. Okay, that's all for today. Enjoy your fresh baklava. Thank you for watching and happy baking.